15 Colombia President Gustavo Petro speaks during closure of Latin America and Caribbean Drug Conference for Peace and Development. President of Mexican, Cali, Colombia. The 9th of September 2023. Bogota. The 9th of September Colombia President Gustavo Petro proposed an alliance between Latin American countries to make a unified sound to come together against drug consumption. The first leftist President Petro. History of Colombia's history. Closed Drugs Conference Latin America and Caribbean MEADS. Saying that 50-year drug war resulted in irreplaceable blood loss and pain Latin America. What I propose is to have a different unified voice that defends society. Our future and history to repeat a failed discourse. Said. It is time for not to repeat the war against drugs. The bloody and wild wars. And to see drugs as a military problem. Not as a health problem for society. Petro said. Like other Latin American countries, Colombia faces continuous violence due to security sources analysts. Due to drug trafficking and the presence of increased firepower economic cartels. In a joint statement, countries participating in the conference should be reduced by educating people and struggling with inequality, poverty, lack of opportunities and violence. They also agreed on the need to break the harmful connections between drugs and fiery arms smuggling, transnational organized crime, illegal logism, human trafficking, immigrant smuggling, money laundering and corruption. Mexican President Manuel Lopez Obrador, who participated in the event, said that countries should fight with love, poverty, encourage corn, beans, cocoa, coffee, fruit and timber cultivation to reduce the land area dedicated to illegal crops such as cannabis. Raw materials for drugs such as heroin, cocaine. Mexican president said that Latin American countries should support the United States in the fight against fentanyl other than moral obligation and humanism. Lopez Obrador. They are facing Pandema, he said. He reports by Luis Jaime Acosta in Bogota and Raul Cortes in Mexico City. Writing by Jackie Botts.